How blind speculation has turned white hot on Wall Street. I'm Bob Stokes with Elliott Wave International. The initial public offerings market in the U.S. has been on fire in 2020. Indeed, total U.S. IPOs in August reached a new extreme of 43 offerings, the most since August 2000. On September 29th, the Wall Street Journal said, IPO market parties like it's 1999. Even in the midst of a recession, investors are pouring money into newly public companies at levels on par with the dot-com era. Now consider special purpose acquisition companies, commonly referred to as blank check offerings, because investors subscribe based on a vague idea of how their money will be used. Our September Elliott Wave financial forecast had more to say about these blank check offerings. Special purpose acquisition companies have no definitive business plan, and they don't support a business. All they offer is a promise to invest in a business through the purchase of an existing company at some point in the future. Special purpose acquisition companies were born in the bull market of the 1980s and had their original heyday in the peak year of 1987. But at that time, they were exclusive to the notoriously risky and occasionally nefarious penny stock market. Our October Elliott Wave financial forecast followed up by showing this chart and saying, the preponderance of special purpose acquisition companies places the current IPO craze head and shoulders above all prior IPO binges in terms of cavalier indifference to the undesignated use for the capital being raised. Thanks to the white-hot heat of speculation in the summer of 2020, there are now so many special purpose acquisition companies that investors can watch the hottest trend in IPOs through an index, the IPOX SPAC Index, which went live on July 31st. The popularity of blank check offerings is a sign that a speculative fever is in full force on Wall Street. It could continue. Then again, financial history suggests that such displays of speculative intensity generally don't end well for those who participate. The best thing to do is to consult the Elliott Wave model. Get insights that will help you to prepare for the stock market's next big turn.